Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla gelato. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. For that authentic vanilla flavor, prepare 1 whole vanilla bean, splitting and scraping out its seeds, or use 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Don't forget a small pinch of salt to balance the sweetness and enhance all those wonderful flavors. Now let's create the rich custard base. In a saucepan, combine the whole milk, heavy cream, and vanilla bean seeds. Heat this mixture over medium heat until it just begins to simmer, but do not boil. In a separate bowl, whisk together your egg yolks and sugar until they become light and pale. Slowly whisk a small amount of the warm milk mixture into the egg yolks to temper them. Then add this back to the saucepan. Stir constantly over low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture thickens slightly. Once your custard base is ready, it's crucial to chill it thoroughly. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling process is vital for a smooth texture. Next, pour the cold base into your ice cream or gelato maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer it to an airtight container and freeze overnight for optimal firmness. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade vanilla gelato. For the best texture, remove it from the freezer and let it soften at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This allows it to reach its ideal creamy consistency. Scoop it into small portions to truly savor its intense vanilla flavor. It's wonderful on its own, or you can pair it with fresh berries or a drizzle of chocolate sauce for an extra special treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.